Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many Outlook 365 users face. The issue at hand involves the worry of calendar invites being sent to the wrong folder due to existing email rules. Imagine setting up rules to keep your inbox organized, only to realize that important meeting invitations are getting lost in the shuffle. Well, fret not, because today we have a solution to this potential problem that will put your mind at ease. In the solution provided, we learned that within the manual rules wizard in Outlook 365, there is an exceptions panel with a specific exception titled, "Except if it is a meeting invitation or update." This nugget of information is crucial in addressing the concern that inbox rules may inadvertently impact calendar invites. By utilizing this exception, you can ensure that your carefully crafted rules won't interfere with important meeting notifications. In summary, we've discussed a common problem faced by Outlook 365 users regarding calendar invites potentially being redirected by inbox rules. The solution lies in leveraging the exceptions panel within the manual rules wizard, specifically utilizing the exception for meeting invitations. By implementing this workaround, you can safeguard against your rules affecting crucial meeting notifications. Thanks for tuning in today, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any other tech woes you'd like us to tackle next. See you in the next video.